In this video we're going to do our 2 times tables, or the repeated addition of 2, because that's all multiplying by 2 is. Just 2 and 2 and 2 and 2 as far as you want to go. So we're going to pop them up on the grid and we're going to see if we can find any patterns, and we're going to learn an easy way to calculate them as well. So we'll start with the first one. We'll do them in yellow counters this time, and the first number is 0. It's always 0 in any multiplication table, because 0 sets of 2 or 0 sets of 5 or 0 sets of 10, it's nothing. It's not, it's 0, none. Okay, so we'll put our 0 up on the top there. There's 0, and we're going to put it in the 0 in the column with all the rest of the zeros. So 0 add on 2 then. 1, 2 jumps to number 2. 2 add on 2. 2 jumps more to number 4. It's going to be quite speedy. 2 is quite a small number, so the 2 times tables are going to be quite concentrated, quite close together in the number grid. 4 and 2 more then, 1, 2 jumps, 6. 6 and 2 more, 1, 2 jumps, 8. 8 and 2 more, 1, 2 jumps, 10. Okay, now we know our tens in units, so we know that 10 and 2 more is 12. We know our number bonds, so we know that 2 and 2 more is 4. So 12 and 2 more is 14. The same way, 4 and 2 more is 6. 14 and 2 more is 16. So we can work them out quite quickly then. The next one is 18. The next one is 20. The next one is 22. The next one is 24. And we'll stop there, because all we need to know really is 12 times 2, which is 24. So that's kind of going to be our upper limit. So when you look up at your number grid, you can realise that there are some patterns. Some of them become quite obvious. One of the patterns is they're very, very close together. Another pattern is that the odd numbers are uncovered, okay, and it's every other number. And the even numbers are covered by counters, and it's every other number as well. So your 2 times tables will end in 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0, because those are even numbers. The 2 times table is also the same as doubling. So I've got my little chalkboard to show you what I mean. So 1 plus 1 is 2, and that's the same as 1 times 2. Okay, because really when we say times 2, we just mean sets of 2. So 2 sets of 1, or 1 set of 2's, is 2. Okay, let's try again with another one. 2 plus 2 is 4. So 2 times 2, 2 sets of 2, is also 4. And let's look and see why that is. So there's our 2 little marks and our 2 little marks. 2 sets with 2 in each set makes 4. So if you know your doubles, like your 1 plus 1, your 2 plus 2, your 3 plus 3, then you'll already know your 2 times tables. Let's try a trickier one. Let's try 12 times 2. Okay. 12 times 2 is the same as 12 plus 12. Now I know the answer is 24. Okay. If I didn't know that, I might have to draw it out. 12 times 2 is 24. All that means is 12 sets of 2. So doing my little counters then, there's 1 set of 2, 2 sets of 2, 3 sets of 2, 4 sets of 2, 5 sets of 2, 6 sets of 2, 7 sets of 2, 8 sets of 2, 9 sets of 2, 10 sets of 2, 11 sets of 2, and 12 sets of 2. And if I count up all the little dots, I should get to 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So if you're good at your doubling already, then you'll be really good at your multiplying by 2. Let's have a little practice counting up and down in 2's from 0 to 24. Okay, so starting at 0 because it's the smallest number. Let's go. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Very good counting. We could keep going, but that's where we're going to stop. We'll go back down now from 24. 24, 22, 20, 18, 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. Good counting. The next thing to do, you've guessed it, is take your number grid away and see if you can count up and see if you can count down. Best of luck with that.